In this video, we want to solve for x. Given 4 raised to power x divided by 18 is equal to 8. We're given 4 raised to power x divided by 18 is equal to 8. The first thing I'm going to do here will be to cross multiply. So we have 4 raised to power x times 1 is equal to 18 times 8. 4 raised to power x is equal to 18 here we can write as 9 times 2. And 8 here we can write as 2 raised to power 3. So that together 4 raised to power x is equal to 9 times 2 raised to power 4. Let us divide both sides by 2 raised to power 4. Then 2 raised to power 4 cancels 2 raised to power 4 here. So we have 4 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 9. Then 4 here we can write as 2 raised to power 2, then raised to power x, then divided by 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 9. By law of indices, given a raised to power m raised to power n, this will give us a raised to power m times n. So here, this becomes 2 raised to power 2x. And then our equation becomes 2 raised to power 2x divided by 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 9. I'm going to apply another law of indices. Given a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, by law of indices, we get a raised to power m minus n. So this equation becomes 2 raised to power 2x minus 4 is equal to 9, which gives us an exponential equation, and we can proceed to taking the logarithm of both sides. So log 2 raised to power 2x minus 4 is equal to log 9. This left-hand side expression is of the form log m raised to power a. By law of logarithm, this will give us a times log m. So our equation becomes 2x minus 4 times log 2 is equal to log 9. And if we divide both sides by log 2, this here will take care of this, leaving us with 2x minus 4 is equal to log 9 divided by log 2. So 2x minus 4 is equal to log 9 here we can write as 3 raised to power 2, then divided by log 2. So we have 2x minus 4 is equal to 2 times log 3 divided by log 2, which we can also write as 2x minus 4 is equals to 2 into bracket log 3 divided by log 2. This is so that we can see log 3 divided by log 2 separately, which is of the form log p divided by log m. And by law of logarithm, this will give us log p base m. And our equation becomes 2x minus 4 is equals to 2 times, this will now be log 3 base 2. Let us move this to the other side. So we have 2x is equal to positive 4 plus 2 times log 3 base 2. We can now divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels 2 here. 2 here is 1. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 cancels 2. So we have x is equal to 2 plus log 3 base 2, which would then be our final answer to this problem. But before we conclude, we need to verify by doing a quick check. And to check, we substitute this value of x that we just arrived at back into the given problem. The problem given was 4 raised to power x divided by 18 is equal to 8. So in place of x here, I'll go ahead and put this value so that 4 raised to power x is 2 plus log 3 base 2, then divided by 18 to give us 8. At this point, the next thing we'll do would be to separate these powers. And to do that, let us apply this property of exponent, a raised to power m plus n. This will give us a raised to power m times a raised to power n, so that our expression becomes 4 raised to power 2 times 4 raised to power log 3 base 2 divided by 18 to give us 8. 4 raised to power 2 here is 16, so let us write that as 16 times 4 here, let us write that as 2 raised to power 2, then times log 3 base 2 divided by 18 to give us 8. I'm going to move these 2 here. By law of logarithm, I'm allowed to do that. So we have 16 times 2 raised to power log. This will now be 3 raised to power 2. Then base 2 divided by 18 is equal to 8. Therefore, we have 16 times 2 raised to power log 3 raised to power 2 here is 9, then base 2, then divided by 18 to give us 8. 16 divided by 2 will give us 8, and 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. So this is reduced to 8 times 2 raised to power log 9 base 2, then divided by 9 equal to 8. The next thing we would look at will be this expression containing logarithm. By law of logarithm, given a raised to power log p base a, this will be reduced to p because we have the same base of a. Since we have the same base of 2 here, then our expression here will be reduced to 9. Then we have 8 here times 9, then divided by 9 to give us 8. 9 divided by 9 is 1, so we have 8 times 1, which is 8, is equal to 8. As you can see, the left-hand side balances the right-hand side, and that confirms that the solution we got for x is perfectly correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.